In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate reminders with Asana rules. This is perfect if you're tired of manually checking in on tasks or chasing people for updates. We'll set up a simple automation so Asana sends a reminder comment before a task is due. You'll need access to a starter, advanced, or enterprise plan for this to work. First, open the Asana project where you want reminders to run. Look to the top right of your screen and click on Customize. This is where you control all the extra settings for your project, including rules. Inside the Customize panel, find the section labeled Rules and click it. Then choose the option to add a new rule. Instead of using a template, select Start from Scratch. This gives you full control over exactly when the reminder fires and what it does. Now we'll define the trigger. Click on the area that says When to choose the event that will kick things off. From the list of options, select Due Date is approaching. This tells Asana to watch the due dates of tasks in this project and start the rule as they get close. Next, choose the timing for that trigger. You'll see options that let you pick how far in advance of the deadline the reminder should be sent, such as a certain number of days or hours before the task is due. For example, you might choose one day before or even a few hours before, depending on how much lead time your team needs. Think about your workflow here. Shorter tasks may only need a same-day reminder, while bigger projects might benefit from a reminder several days in advance. Once the trigger is set, it's time to define what Asana should do. Click on Do This and select Add Comment. This means that when the due date gets close, Asana will automatically post a comment on the task. Now compose the nudge that will appear as that comment. Type a short, clear message like, Friendly reminder, this task is due tomorrow. You can use the @ symbol to dynamically tag the task assignee, so the reminder always goes to the right person without you having to update it for each task. When you're happy with the trigger, timing, and message, click Publish Rule to save and activate it. If the Publish button is not clickable, double-check that you've selected a trigger, at least one action, and filled in any required fields for the comment. Once everything is complete, the button should activate, and your automated reminders will start working for all relevant tasks in that project.